How to create a new document in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you looking to quickly create a new document in Microsoft Word on your phone? If yes, let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Microsoft Word app is installed on your mobile device and launch it open. Also make sure to sign into Microsoft Word with your Microsoft account's credentials. Once you're inside the home page, to start a new document, go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on the plus create button. Now, you'll be able to see options such as blank document or pre-made templates. To start fresh, tap on the plus button at the very top. This will start off with a blank document. But if you want to pick a template, select the templates that has been made on the page. Templates are great if you want a professional looking layout without designing it from the scratch. After you select one of these options to create a blank document or a template, you'll be able to create a new editing page. Before you start typing, it is a good idea to give your document a name. To do so, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots. Now click the pencil button right next to document name and write the name for the document. Once done, click on the tick mark at the top right. After you write a name for the document, this will help you recognize the document later. Now the next thing you can do is to start typing your content. After you type in a text in the page, you'll see the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This toolbar lets you change your font style and sizes, bold and italicize your text, or underline it, change the font color, highlight the text, and so on. After you are done, you can then save your document. Microsoft Word usually saves your work automatically, but you can also manually save it. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and then go ahead and find the auto save option. Make sure that it is turned on. If it is not, then you can also manually save the changes by tapping the save button. But if you don't want to save your changes, then you can also tap the autosave button over here and your changes will be saved automatically in your document. So that is how you can easily create a new document in Microsoft Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.